back to the experiments. Working hard on it. Alright guys, this is going to be a quick one. You're going to love this. Instead of running the DC motor, let's run the microwave AC motor. You think we can do it? Well, I just did it. And basically one end of the AC fan motor is on that side. It's ground. The other side is to the plate. And let's fire this up. I haven't seen anything run off of Tesla stuff. This high voltage, man, is freaking crazy, man. You tell me what's going on. I know you guys can hear me. Electric motor's turning. Yeah. Finally, we get to run something from this high voltage. Finally. So we're creating a magnetic field inside that iron core from the hairpin. Ain't that a son of a bitch? Holy shit. I'll tell you. That's been the hardest feat I had so far, is to do that. Right now looking for another, here it is. Probably won't turn it because it's outside the metal. But I wonder if there's a field created. Keeping the fan going though. Maybe I can get this closer. No. Bet we can get this to turn. I'll get some copper, create something like this. Go back over here. Alright, so let's probe around here. Turning. That's the second ground there. Spark coming from that. Two wires to run that motor. It's building a magnetic field in there. That fan wouldn't be turning if it wasn't, guys. So the amperage has to be coming up from this ground and your high voltage from that side. I'm going to play around a little bit more, get off this video and get back to cracking here. Maybe if we take this and throw it in a small capacitor to give that more power. Interesting stuff, huh? Leave your comments. Leave your comments.